Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to show you how you can leverage Gemini with Google Calendar. I'll share some of the powerful prompts that you can leverage between Gemini and Google Calendar, as well as a built-in Gemini feature you can find inside Google Calendar. Okay, so within Gemini, simply navigate down to Settings, locate Apps, and you need to make sure that under Productivity, you have this turned on. This allows Gemini to connect with your favorite Google apps. Recently, I created a brief tutorial showing you how you can leverage Google Tasks with Gemini to help you optimize personal and professional task management. Okay, let's jump back over to Gemini and create a new chat. Also, just quickly, if you're interested in learning how Gemini integrates with all your different Google apps, I will add a full Gemini and Google Workspace tutorial up above and down below in the description for you to check out. Okay, let's navigate down here and ask Gemini, do I have any meetings today? And as you can see, Gemini has connected with Google Calendar to identify, yes, you have 2 events scheduled today. I've displayed them for you. And you can see those 2 events here. If I click on one of these options, that's going to open up Google Calendar. Now, what else can we ask Gemini in reference to Google Calendar? Well, if we navigate down here, we can ask, can you change the meeting with Jack time to start at 2:45 p.m. and end at 3:30 p.m. Let's go ahead and submit this prompt. And as you can see, adjusting event date, finalizing time modification, and you can see I've updated the meeting with Jack to start at 2:45 p.m. and end at 3:30 p.m. today. And again, we can click here to see that event inside Google Calendar. We can also create a new event. Can you add a new event for today at 9 p.m. with Sam Smith to talk about his business strategy over the next 90 days? Let's try this prompt. As you can see, creating event details, connecting Google Calendar, and as you can see, Gemini has scheduled your meeting with Sam Smith for today at 9 p.m. to discuss his business strategy. And you can see down here, the title of the meeting. The event is Meeting with Sam Smith. You can see the time down here and the description, which is talk about his business strategy over the next 90 days. You can see Gemini has picked up and organized my input into an accurate response. Okay, let's go ahead and click here. Hey guys, just quickly before we get back to this video, I just want to mention my Sheetify CRM, an all-in-one business toolkit and CRM built with Google Sheets and designed for Google users. You can simply manage leads, customers, tasks, engage in email marketing, manage your inventory, tickets, and more. The great part is I've made this Sheetify CRM a one-time payment, no subscriptions, unlimited access, and future updates. If you're interested in learning more, you can find the link to my Sheetify CRM down below in the description. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and get back to this video. And that's going to open up Google Calendar and the meeting here. I can make changes to the description, the meeting name, and more by simply clicking on Edit. Now, if we close out of this, we can also leverage Gemini Insights inside of Google Calendar. This is a new feature. Let's click on More Insights, and we can see powerful insights. Time breakdown, this focus time option. Try scheduling weekly focus time on days with fewest meetings, which for us is Fridays. So the AI Insights have picked this up. I can click on schedule. I can see time allocated towards one-on-one meetings, meetings with 3+ guests, and then more information down here. Time in meetings and other information. Pretty cool, huh? If I navigate up to this pencil icon, we can add color labels to classify our calendar entries. This allows you to identify how you spend your time under Time Insights. Okay, let's close out of this. And that is everything I wanted to cover in this Google Calendar and Gemini tutorial. As you can see, you can leverage simple prompts to directly make changes inside Google Calendar. Now, if you got value from this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.